Silverline Group, founded by the Mah Salim, is the largest conglomerate in textile and apparel sector in Bangladesh, has been progressively growing in capacities for meeting the global requirements of textile and apparels at a considerable rate. SLG has spinning, textile and garments under one roof. Exclusive yarn and premium range of fabrics and world-class production of garment with a global clientele base spread across 65 countries like USA, Europe, China, Japan and India. Innovation and latest technology. SLG has dedicated itself to making superior products with the help of latest technology that have set industry benchmarks for innovation. Our history: 19 years experience. Our achievements: 1,351 partner worldwide, 5,620 employees and staffs, 2,650 project completed. Our specialization: 01 Innovation mentality. Customer-driven innovation is the main priority in all the sectors of Silverline Group. 02 Updated technology. Latest and updated technologies in all the sections. Machines from world's top brands. 03 Exclusive design support. Creative and latest trend-driven designing support. Exclusive design studio in Silverline Factory. 04 Global presence. A presence across 60 nations worldwide and more than 500 brands collaborations. Vision: becoming a global front-runner in textile and apparel conglomerate, providing wide-spectrum solutions to the industry with sustained quality, innovative product range, quicker lead time and efficient services to all the customers, thereby increasing value for our client and become their preferred partner. Mission: our mission is